Hey guys, welcome back to TCTN. Y'all know what time it is. Chapstick time. For those of you who have been here, thank you for coming back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Dion and I usually start almost every video off putting on chapstick. So just one of the little crazy, little weird things that I do, and it's become a habit now and I don't know if I'll ever stop. Probably, I'm sure. As the title says, yes, another look, the Sunset palette. This is not a new palette. I did change it. This and this shade is from the Cranberry palette because these two shades did not show up on my skin tone, and so I took them out and replaced them with shadows from the Cranberry palette. The Sunset palette, other than that, as it originally is, it's not a new palette at all. But I'm hoping that my doing these looks will give someone ideas on what to do with this palette, or if they're considering purchasing it, you know, what they can do with it. And so that's why I'm doing these videos. When I did the eyeshadow palette 10, when I did looks with this, which is not a new palette at all, and yes, it is still on sale on the Natasha Denona website for $45. When I did looks with these, people were saying, oh, I was looking for looks with this and there weren't any. And so I was like, wow, okay, so since that was helpful, I'm hoping that this will be helpful as well. And so we're going to start, of course, with priming the eyes with the Fenty eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to blend that out with the Sephora Pro Stippling Concealer number 52 brush, and that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to cut that part out and come back, and then we'll start with the shadows. Before I get started with the shadows, I want to just let you know, if my face is looking weird, I only have one concealer and I set it with powder. That's it. No foundation, no anything. And you can probably tell, or you might have thought I had on a tinted moisturizer, because you can see my breakouts, my freckles, which I do really like my freckles. I like my freckles. And this is still clearing up. I don't even remember when that came about, but yeah, so my face is pretty much clear right now, except for this and this. Oh, and I did my brows earlier too. Okay, so we're gonna jump in. This is a look that I saw on YouTube, and I did not write the person's name down, which I should have, and so I'm sorry. But we're going to take Morgana and we're going to put this in the center of the lid, and I'm going to do this eye first and then cut out doing this eye. It's a halo look, and I'm not good at halo eyes, and so I'm trying it again. So we'll see how this turns out. We're using the Real Techniques brush, and this one is the Instapop shade brush, the angled one. I want to add that Morgana is a dual chrome, this shade here that I just laid down. Then we're going to take Cyanide, this shade here, on the inner and outer corner. I am just like so anxious about trying to do another halo eye. This is a Makeup Forever number 234 straight and wavy brush. I have two of these brushes, so I'm going to take a clean one, and we're going to go in with Panjin, also on the inner and outer corner. I think I have a reaction to this shade, and I think it might have to do with the amount of carmine that's in the shadow, because every time I use it, my eye feels okay, but then when I remove my makeup, my eyes get really, really irritated. I'm keeping this more so in the corners versus how I took Sinai and put it from here all the way here, and from here all the way here. Panjin, we're just going to put on the very edge. So we can have more of a gradient of color. I'm trying to learn how to do halo, guys. I am, and I know they usually do the center shade last, but I wanted it to stick to the primer without having to put down another product. I'm going to take the brush that had Sinai on it, and I'm just going to blend slightly. We'll just tap slightly in between these two colors to blend them. The first brush we used for the center shade, I'm going to use that to blend between the first shade and the second shade. We're going to take a Scott Barnes number 62 brush, and we're going to take Sinai and we're going to lightly sweep that across the crease area. We're going to take my other Scott Barnes number 62 brush. It says to go into Horizon, which is this shade in the middle, and put that also in the crease. Well, it says as a transition, but it's kind of the same area for me. So we're just going to take it a little bit higher up than Sinai. Then it says to take Soul to blend out those colors. I did another look from this person, and I think her eye shape was different than mine because all of these colors are ending up in the same space. So I'm not really understanding all the overlap. So I'm thinking maybe like her area here, I think may have been flat like this instead of just puffy and rounded. And so she was able to layer the colors that way. Well, not layer them, but stack the individual colors where you can see the individual colors. Where for me, it's all ending up in one area and just blending all into one shade. This is a very orange look. And we're going to take, this is the Fenty number 210, 220 precision brush. And we're going to go in with Ice Gold as our brow bone highlight. This wasn't a part of her look, but I love this shade as a brow bone highlight. This is a Fenty 210, no additional color at all. We're just going to sweep that over. I don't think I like how this is just like all one look. I mean, I think it's pretty, but it's no definition to it. Well, not much. I could add more Panjin, but I'm just kind of afraid that it's going to really irritate my eyes later. You know, we're going to do it. So we're going to take the brush we use for Panjin, which is this shade here, and we're going to put that in the crease. I am liking that better. It's still looking very monochromatic. I like it though, but it's missing something. I'm going to take some eye primer, the Fenty primer, and I'm going to put this in the center of the lid, and I'm going to reapply that shade that was there. I just need something to pop or something. So we're going to take the same brush that we used for that shade, Mandarin, and we're going to reapply more on top of the primer. As much as I like monochromatic looks, it's because I do it on purpose, whereas this one, I don't know, looking at the colors in the pan, I didn't think it was going to be just all orange. We're going to take the brush that had Sinai on it, no additional color, and we're just going to blend that. I need more depth, more variety of color. I like how I did the halo part though. We're going to take Terra and just run this along the lower lash line. We're going to take Soul. I wiped off this brush, and we're going to put that on the inner portion of the lower lash line. I need more something on my lid. But this is the look though. I'm going to take, I need more something, and I really don't know what. I don't know. We're going to take Mandarin with the fluffy brush, and we're going to sweep that under the lower lash line. I need something else like in my crease or outer corner or something. I need something. I'm not really feeling it. And I could do more Panjin. Oh gosh. But that's the color that irritates my eyes. I'm going to take Terra with this same brush, and we're going to just put some of that like right here. I just need some depth somewhere. Let me know what you're thinking of this look. I am just going to leave it alone, except I am going to also take Igneous, and I'm going to run that along the upper lash line. This is the Esom T03. I'm going to take that same fluffy brush, the Fenty 210, and we're going to take, I know I keep saying I'm done, but I need something. We're going to take Sinai, this shade here, and we're going to also put that under, I'm going to blend that underneath the lower lash line. Because Mandarin just seemed to just show up as like a weird line, and I'm not liking how that looks. Okay, I think that looks a little bit better. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm not going to do mascara. My eyes are itching already. I think I'm going to not be able to use this shade Panjin. This one down here in the middle. This red shade. But I kind of, I don't know. I'm going to just end this video. Let me know what you think of this look. I just think it needs more definition, more depth or something. I do like it a little better since I put Terra in the outer corner. Well, from here to here, like a quarter of the way into the crease. Well, a third of the way over into the crease. I think the colors are pretty, but I just need something else. I need something more. Let me do a lip real quick. Same as usual, the easiest thing to pick up. Fenty Gloss Bomb and Hot Chocolate over top of my chapstick. Yeah, I'm not really, I'm not sure what's going on here. And my eyes are itching. But thank you for being here. And you'll see me in the next video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just, like, not understanding. Appreciate you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. It's all free, and I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. You'll see me in the next one.